kardom lang tumang no non nili berta kipi kenang soda bank kela no ladak West Karbi Anglong mate Assam state kaparlo West Karbi Anglong district and parta Juwai West Janta Hills ladak kaparlo cumang atum khasi panar atum abang non ladak kedam tang nini ni thoma prang Karbi Anglong kaparlo mate West Karbi Anglong kaparlo i along tax gate sitame latum pridak no me thor tekang edlo ampar sitame ladak alang tu mahavar posi alang tum cekrong tip lo ari kejong apang tang lapen kang cek lakatu ka ve hewis dolo lapen hana suhut Assam police atum da dolo lapen additional SP ladak West Karbi Anglong district pas tami hadak dodun lo cetong lo lapen border magistrate tami hadak cetong lo alang litum ang no amasi council tax gate abang ke frikang dak lo lapen development hadak ki pipon street light tami hadak paino te kang lo lapen pinpur me ondung aning kan sitami dak council hin pen development ki pidam chia phan asona scheme deng pon lo lapen hadak arada phan mathasi waiting set sitami ki kinam ya phan side deng pon lo sitami apong tin sitami latum ka khamthi rason dolo lasi non West Karbi Anglong district along dak katu kavi administration hin kelang pon DC asa hemalong wangsi dak karju papidulo la West Janta Hills mate Meghalaya along litong kaparluma mate ladak West Karbi Anglong mate some state ala so border ladak ilitum tong kaparluma pala marjulo alang lihin pensitami lake West Karbi Anglong along li pusi jongpon tiblo DC KHP Krishna Borwa alang di sitami pini lam perang ki along laso alam peklang ponlo sitami laso tax gate ki prihut Assam police ateng no amat lapen border magistrate ateng no amat ki pri along lathi charge la tumpi pe lapen police force sitami akidorawe pusi alang li dak logo along pen liltum karju pen alang li thaklo la sila son bom pulotang te koson si kachirai kom thakjima la pen isi alam pen por me ala so kachibhong kacharbo ke aningkan wangta pe pru pin la son sido la pen la ke ladak West Karbi Anglong arata tumle akhaya tumle alang tumal along le encroachment mate kachirai dam day before yesterday. What is the solution till today?
As you know that the regional committees have been formed and they will be having a discussion. Both the committees of both the state will have a discussion. Then only a solution can be arrived. We can arrive to a solution. As we had a fruitful discussion yesterday with the DC West Janta Hills, where the council, the West Janta council members were also there. Means the main discontention is just because those people living there in Khanduli area, they think that it is their land, but as per our revenue record, it falls under West Karbi Anglong district. So it has to be resolved amicably between both the state. Otherwise, this kind of incidents, this distrust will always be there. So our effort will be to instill confidence among the grassroots people who are living there. There will be more coordination with the police administration. We already had a good, very coordination, but in the constabulary level, there should be more coordination than the frequent visits of both the SPs of both the state or both the districts will be there. So that no such kind of incidents happens. Otherwise, it is disturbing the peace and tranquility of the region. We'll try our best to dispel any kind of fear among the settlers or inhabitants of those areas. Thank you.
There are by the Khasi pillar. So from just in front of our additional SP, but they have not given any lathi charge. So what?
As we said, our police force has to be prepared. They have to have the protection gears with them. At that time, although our police forces are there, we have asked them to restrain so that no such incidents happens, whatever happened in Mukro, so that we cannot we don't want to have this kind of incident again. So from our side, there is restraints. That's why we didn't allow any force. Forcibly, nothing is done on the crowd. But from the next time onwards, we are going to tackle crowds in a better way. Yeah.
So what?
That permanent solution with the both state has to meet, the regional committees have to meet. Then we have to bring the maps or whatever is there with the geological survey of India. So there all demarcation and boundaries are already there. So those maps will have to be consulted. Then between the two states, then only we can resolve the issue.